Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong Zekamala Mubongenkosi. I hope nikahle niyaphila. I have good news here. We also yesterday Kaizer Chiefs played so well. We were dominating Orbit College from the first half to the second half. The goals that we scored are proof that you had a good game. So yonke into enhle ihambelana nenye into enhle. After seeing Flavio, the Kosi flavor, scoring his fourth goal in 5 games, ivele ena a collab to Guinea-Bissau. And obviously, we know that in some international breaks, he was falling short. But they saw now that no, it seems like he's starting to pick up form for Kaizer Chiefs, because for a player that is not playing much, but whenever he gets an opportunity, it does shows his impact. For a player that is scoring goals coming from the bench, it simply means that when given a chance of maybe playing at least a full match, can be more effective, he can score more goals. Because we are talking about someone that has averaged 35 minutes per game that he has played in those 5 games. So that simply means that he has a goal ratio of which it puts him high up there ahead of the other strikers that we have Kupetwe Premiership strikers like Abo Dion, strikers like Abo Bradley Grob. So that shows Uguti, give him time, more minutes, he'll give you more goals. Because a player that played an average of 139 minutes and gives you 4 goals in 5 games, it simply means Guti, he knows his way to the goal post. So Kaizer Chiefs have been looking for someone that is going to score goals for them, and is doing that perfectly. So what else can you want from someone that score you goals? Because the only way to win the hearts of the fans of Kaizer Chiefs is to do what they want. Score goals, help them win games. You will forever in their heart. Same as Abu Samir Nakovic, same as Abu Knowledge Muson, same as Abu Sean Bartlett. So it shows Uguti, once you score goals as a striker. And yesterday I saw another dimension in his style of play. Uguti, at some point, it's not about him being present every time inside the box, waiting to pounce to any loose ball, but he can also connect well with his players when he wants to go to the goal post and score, because we saw him linking up with Augustin Sereno. So maybe it's a new combination that we have to look out for Kaizer Chiefs. So that shows Uguti, he's now settling in, because when the season started, many people were judgmental of him, saying no, you can't say we must be patient with a player that can't even trap a ball. You know very well that you are still new in an environment, you are trying to settle in, the nerves are high, you want to impress the fans and also the technical team. But now it seems like Izinto says hamba ngohlelo. So simply means that we have to brace ourselves ukuthi whenever he gets an opportunity, we must make sure that we'll expect something, especially goals coming from him. So hopefully ukuthi njengoba biziwe ku Guinea-Bissau, he's going to represent Kaizer Chiefs so well. It is a good thing for him ukuthi he's getting the recognition that he deserves. So kulukhuni ke logo from yena uFlavio Silva, the Kosi flavor. Yeah, siseyiningi into ezayo okukhulu okuzayo. Let's go to ama-2K wethu. Fundo paper 2 Obrigado Vilakazi. Yabona, one thing I've realized ukuthi exposure, it is important to every player. Doesn't matter ukuthi wherever you're going to play, but being exposed to an environment whereby ukuthi it will allow you to grow. It gives you an upper hand ukuthi you'll realize ukuthi if I do more, surely my game will improve, and I will make sure ukuthi whenever an opportunity arises, I grab it with both hands. After Mfundo Vilakazi went to a FIFA World Cup under 20, lena bese Chile, he has never been the same. He became a beast, because we know what he's capable, but one thing we're always relying on is the fact that he's still young. We want to protect him, but if you want to see the best out of a player, give him an opportunity, give him a platform to showcase his talent. We see with coach Abdesalam Wad throwing Utansin in the deep end, but he makes sure he repaid him by scoring that goal, and he's gonna gradually improve his game and become an elite player. That's what you need from a coach. We saw Jose Rivero last season. Alahlela ama players, ama youngsters, abonkota. Mfukeng was given an opportunity, make sure he grabs it with both hands. So with Mfundo now is doing the same, because this season has played, I think, a total of 9 games, managed to register 1 goal, 2 assists. So it shows Guti, give him more minutes. And one thing I like about our co-coaches, they are serving us humble pies, because now you can see Guti, they see where they are headed, and the players that they have, they now understand their strength. Guti, if I use him in this way, we're gonna benefit. So Mfundo, being the player that he is, he has a vision, has flair, has a skill, can give you a lot in such a way that you're gonna benefit from him, especially his attributes, because his confidence makes him to do the things that he does. You find him with those intricate passes. It simply means Guti, he's growing in his role that he has been given. Yabo. So give him that chance, make him understand Guti, okay, I believe in you. Make sure Guti, you believe in yourself and do the things that you are capable of doing. So it is no surprise, Guti, as reported by Soccer Beat, Guti, there is a European club that is willing to sign Mfundo Vilakazi, and it all came before the FIFA World Cup and after the FIFA World Cup. So it simply means Guti, naye he'll try to make sure Guti he grows and make sure Guti he delivers, so that if something concrete is on the table, he'll reconsider, because I know Guti to the Kosi faithfuls are not ready to lose him yet, because they are now starting to see him becoming the player that they know him of. But manje, we can't stand in the way of a player. If you want to seek greener pastures, let him go. But for now, let's let him enjoy his football in Echurena. Make sure that he gives those assists, he scored those goals, especially that goal that he scored. It was a beautiful thing. It was a beautiful thing. So all I can say in Yoguti, I don't know about the timing, but I know Guti, the reporters have a good timing. Whenever they report a story of this kind, they know very well Guti, they have to be timed. They need to use the timing effectively in such a way Guti, whatever that they're going to say must be relevant. After the game that he had yesterday, it showed very people will not disagree with the fact Guti vele lento le yiqiniso, because knowing very well Guti, some situations can disrupt the players momentum, and they can affect them psychologically ukuthi now umqondo wakhe uzobe endaweni ezithi ukuthi what if it is true, what if I'm going, what about the Kaizer Chiefs, because now we see ukuthi he's growing in his game. As sometimes you know very well what you do have capable players, but if they are used in the wrong way, they won't shine. They won't shine. That's why even Umdodai is another player I'd say which is an asset to Kaizer Chiefs. And another thing I'd say Guti, since Naye he went to that Bafana camp for the qualifiers of the World Cup, he has matured. You can see in his movement on and off the ball Guti. He always makes himself available for passes. He always makes himself to be a threat whenever going forward, because he's explosive, has got speed, and he can create opportunities for his teammates. That's why he set up Mfundo Vilakazi for that beautiful goal. So it shows Guti, expose nje iyodwa can help you go a long way. That's why you see him Guti, he is able to register double figures for Kaizer Chiefs. In 93 games, managed to score 11 goals and assisted 6 times. That shows Guti, yes, those stats are not that good, because in 100 games maybe it should be sitting lapana buma 20 assists, maybe buma 17 goals, but he's a youngster. He'll grow from that and will make sure he'll register more assists, because we can't blame him that much, because we had players that were wasteful, that were ruining his assist record. Last season, he could have been an assist king alongside Tutukeletu Makhalwa, alongside Dabo Sales, alongside Dabo Tashrik Medus. But now we see it, okay, he now understands ukuthi as an attacking midfielder, this is the role that I have to play. I have to use my attribute to the best advantage, whereby ukuthi they help me in order to register more metrics. So obviously going to that Bafana camp, so I don't know ukuthi inhlanhla noma idlozi lakhe lakwaMshengu gida overtime, because every time when he has a stellar of a game, every time when he's performing, Hugo Bruce usuka se-FNB Stadium to watch him play, and he always scores. I've seen in 2 games whereby he performed and he scored. Yesterday, it was by far the best performance of Umdoda in the Kaizer Chiefs colours. It was unfortunate that he didn't get a hat-trick, but I was betting on that he's going to get a hat-trick. But other games are coming. Let's save the goals and assists for other games. So, yeah, Kaizer Chiefs yesterday did show Guti they are playing the way that we want them to play. Tactically, they were good. Technically, players were in song. Watching players above by. So, I'd say Guti, let's take each game at a time. Make sure we prepare for every game that comes. Take it as it comes. We don't have to expect anything, but let's move with the flow. Allow things to run for themselves. This is it for today.